Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy. If anybody is new and joining me here for the first time, thank you so much. I'm still in two minds about whether or not I should do my slogan every time, but I'm brown, I like believable makeup, my slogan's believable brown beauty. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. Okay, so this is the second attempt at this video. I filmed this on Wednesday and like the vibe was just off. And I watched it back and I was like, no, that's not good enough. So it's now Saturday afternoon. Yep, 3 o'clock, and this video is due tomorrow, so there will be a lot of late night editing today. But yeah, I was just like uninspired by the makeup that I did. I mean, it was nice, but it was just like and that's not really what I want to put out. So today is just a bit of creative play, just to come up with something fun. I've really been like into more autumnal kind of colours at the moment. Lots of berries and browns, so that's what I'm going to do. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It might be a bit out there, but I think I need to always have fun. And in my last video, I didn't feel like I was really having fun, but I think in this one, I am going to. So yeah, let's get cracking. So, okay. You might hear my stomach rumbling. You may or may not, I can hear it rumbling, but the thing is, I'm really hungry. But Amanda is having his nap and he's probably going to be up in the next half an hour or so. And I need to film this video today. So I'm postponing eating lunch so that I get the video done. 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. I'm just going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Almond. Whack that on. And take a little blending brush and just work that all in. Onto skin. Wow. I'm using my Cover FX G100, my favourite foundation in the world. And I'm just going to buff this on. Got a lot more blemishes on this side of my face now. So I'll be using a little bit more than I usually do just to help disguise. Then I am, did I show you the foundation? I can't remember, but I'm just going to show you it now. The Cover FX G100. Then I'm taking my, this is the wrong colour. This is the one I need. This is my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick in the colour 9, Chestnut. And I always use this on my jaw because it's a little bit warmer, a little bit darker. Actually, it's darker, not warmer, it's a bit darker. So I need something with a bit more warmth to kind of marry it to the rest of my face. Just double check that I've blended everything. For anybody that's new, I don't put foundation really on my nose or my forehead, so I haven't forgotten. It's a bit of glitter. I haven't forgotten, I just don't wear foundation there because that's how I like to wear my makeup. Okay, so now that that's on, let's go and finish the brow. I'm using the old-fashioned spiked brow pencil from MAC. I don't know why all of a sudden this is like my brow pencil that I'm reaching for. Which is a shame because the new formula and the new colour is different from this one. And I have tried it in store and I don't particularly like it. I definitely prefer the old one. Oh, my brows look a little bit feral. They definitely need a trim. Definitely need a trim. Right. So last Sunday, yes, last Sunday on my live, I used the Fenty Beauty lip paint, Stunner lip paint in Unveil on my eyelid, and I really liked it. And so I just want to try and use this again, but I'm going to mix it with something else. So I'm taking the Fenty lip paint in Unveil, which is the brown one, and then I'm taking High Drama from MAC. And I'm going to mix these two together and see what colour it makes. So, ooh, that's really pretty. It made this colour. Does that show? Yeah, so this is what I'm going to do on my eyes today. So I want to have a matte eyeshadow today. Don't want to use any shimmer. I think I'm going to make it a bit deeper though. So, this is the first layerage going on. in my excitement, have forgotten to do something really important for this particular makeup. I wouldn't do this all the time, but I definitely want to carve out my brows a little bit. So I'm just taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer again, the same one that I used under my eyes. And I'm going to use a tiny bit just to make my brows pop a little bit more without adding any like darkness to them. Really and truly, if you're going to do this step, you should do it before you do any eyeshadow on your lid so that your blend is really like smooth. But it's fine because I know I'm going to go back over it. I kind of saved it before it was too late. I'm going to add a little bit more High Drama, which is the deeper like blackberry colour. And then only a tiny bit of the Fenty. Yeah, I don't know, can you see the difference? It's a tiny bit deeper. It's not a massive amount, but I like the depth a bit more. So I'm using a synthetic brush. This is a Real Techniques one, an Essential Crease brush. And I would say for, if you are going to do this, use synthetic brushes for like the initial application. I find it's easier to blend when you do that. Oh yeah, I forgot, I need to add my disclaimer. If you have sensitive eyes, don't do this. I think I say this in every video where I use lip products on my eyes, but I don't have sensitive eyes. I can pretty much put anything anywhere on my face and I don't get a reaction. If you have that kind of face, then explore. But if you feel like this is going to break you out in hives or give you a third eye, perhaps don't do this, and try and find like actual eye products that are designed to be used around the eye. I know Danessa Myricks colour fixes you can use everywhere on the face, so, and she's got some really beautiful colours, so you could give that a go. Then I'm going to take some Swiss Chocolate blusher and use this as a shadow over the top, just to really mattify everything. I'm just going to blend that underneath as well. Now what I want to do is intensify the lash line a tiny bit, but not make it look like a liner. And we all know I have a problem with eyeliner, so wish me luck. Oh yes, I'm going to use a Night Morph lip pencil. That's definitely going to work. Okay, just give this a quick little sharpen. Bingo, that is exactly what I want. Can you see the difference? I don't know if it shows. Does it show? Don't know, but it looks really good. I'm going to do the same on the lower lash line as well. Yes, yes, I'm very happy. Okay, I'm going to take my Extended Play Giga Black mascara from MAC and just do the first layer of my mascara. Okay, right, happy with that. Should I do a bit of contour today? I haven't done contour in a while. Yes, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in 10.25. This colour is Cool Espresso. And just do a tiny bit of cheek contour. Just a tiny, tiny bit. And just work that in. I really favour using creams for contour. Well, actually, I think I just like cream in everything. I like lipsticks as blushes and on eyes. I just feel like they melt into the skin a lot nicer. Okay, happy with that. Now for blush. What am I going to do for blush? I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown, what's this called? Crushed lip colour, and the colour is Grenadine. I'm going to use this on my cheeks today. Ooh, okay, I think I'm going to mix it with something. I feel like a grandma when I do that. Using lipstick on my cheek. Use the same brush. Then I'm going to take a tiny bit of this illuminating veil from Danessa Myricks and the colour is Attraction. Now this stuff, oh, I'll show it to you. A little bit goes a long way, so I'm going to put it on with my finger first and then blend it in with a brush. Just to create a tiny bit of sheen. Oh yeah, that looks so nice. So nice. And do a little bit more. Yeah, I love that. Okay, that was a good move. Well done, Stace. Yeah, I love this today. Always listen to yourself. If you feel like you're having a crappy day and you're trying to make yourself do something that doesn't feel like it's coming naturally, don't force yourself to do it. It's just not worth the effort. I need to do my second mascara. Where is it? Oh, no. Pause there. I'm going to go and find my mascara. Found it. So I'm using my Hourglass foundation. No, not foundation. Mascara in Caution. Extreme Black. And I'm just going to go over my lashes. And I've bent the wand myself. I find it's much easier for me to put a mascara on if there's a bit of an angle to the wand. And you can do, it's really easy, you just bend it in the tube. So I'm going on full on lash drama, top and bottom today. I feel like this needs kohl pencil inside, so I'm just going to take Feline kohl pencil and just do my waterline the whole way along. Yeah. And then I'm going to do the dreaded top waterline, which I hate doing because it tickles and it makes my eyes water, but it looks good. So it's that inner corner there that, ugh. Okay, I need a moment. I need a moment. That's enough, you get the drift. I put kohl pencil, top and bottom waterline. And then for the lip. Okay, so because I can't help myself and I'm indecisive, I'm going to show you a nude lip, a really simple nude lip first. So this is Bobbi Brown lip gloss in Buff, which is one of my favourite nudes. I cannot wait to finish this video so I can eat. So this is the first lip. And then I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna get a wipe and then I'm gonna shave another one. Oh, maybe I should powder. I haven't powdered anywhere yet. So, I just heard him cough. He's gonna wake up soon. I'm taking my Cover FX matte setting powder in deep. And I'm just mattifying my face. Whoop, there he is. Bug! 1 minute. I'm back with a snuffly and slightly grumpy sugar bump on my lap. I need to finish this, so excuse if you hear any whining, but he's woken up in a really grumpy mood for some reason. I'm going to take this lip off and I'm going to show you something else. Now I'm torn between two different things, and I'm not sure which way to go. So I was going to either mix these two together, Oh Lady and High Drama, both from MAC. Oh Lady is the purpley one on top and High Drama is the like blackberry shade, or I was going to mix Unveil and not High Drama, Oh Lady. I think I'm going to do this one, you know. So I'm going to mix again. So some Unveil and some Oh Lady. Oh, that's an interesting colour. I'm going to try and apply this with him on my lap and see how I fare. So, it's okay. So it looks like there's going to be 3 lips because I don't love this. It's nice, but it's like, it's a bit bland. So I'll show you just so you can see what the colour is like. But I'm going to take it off. 3rd time lucky. I should have listened to myself because I wanted to do this combination in the beginning, so I don't know why I didn't. So I'm going to take Oh Lady. I'm going to mix these 2 together instead. Let's see how this goes. Bingo! Yeah, this is the lip. This is very tricky, trying to do a perfect lip with a sleeping baby in your lap. I like this combo. I still feel like it needs a little bit more blush. A little bit. So actually what I'm going to do is use Oh Lady, which is the purpley one, because I've got excess of that on my hand. Okay, I like this matte, but I've got it here. I'm just going to do it. I've got clear lip gloss. I'm running out of space on my hand. And I'm just going to make it glossy and see what that's like. Yes. Focus, camera, focus. That's it. That's the final look. Okay, I say that it's the final look, but then I've got this gloss now on my hand, like, oh, put me on your eye. So, I just can't help myself today. It's really pretty though, isn't it? So it's worth it. It's going to be worth the extra long description box I have to do for this. Yes, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I forgot to say earlier that I do live Get Ready With Me's on Sunday mornings at 9:30 GMT. So if you fancy seeing me do makeup in real time, I'll leave my Instagram handle for you here. That is all I have to say for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. That's it. Bye. Amanda, you can say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
You have to look in the camera. Hold on. Let me lift you up. Oh, big boy. There. Can you see yourself? You say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Look there. Bye, everyone. We'll see you later. See you later. He's in a silly mood all of a sudden. Okay, love you.